Daniela, let's open, let's open. This is our huge surprise from Mommy and Daddy. Look at it. It is so cute kitten. It is British blue short hair cross kitten.
Katy Kids TV.
Kitten is second day.
So soft. Oh,
Second
very
day.
soft.
Bella.
That's got her name. I got her for her name.
You know, all day I want to say Katy to her. Katy, wash your eyes, Katy. Not Bella, but Katy. Or Candy, or Puka. I said 2 times. Puka.
Okay. Wait, where's it going?
Exploring everything.
Off there.
It's favorite place. It's her favorite place, like
Oh,
there.
he's sitting.
With George or with Tiger.
Look, he's sitting.
Yeah, she likes the leopard and George. All the time she's going in that corner.
Hey. Whoa. Can I get to you? So cute.
Okay, let's unbox Kitten's bed. Today came Kitten's bed. It's very, very, very cute. Wow. It's pink because she's a girl. Bella. Wow. Woohoo! Wow.
Kitten, come here.
So it's Kitten's bed.
Come on.
Bed.
I want to have a look at the basement.
Look, it's so cute.
No! I mean the attic.
Look, it's ears, fluffy ears. You like your bed? Kitten. Oh, she was purring. Anti-slip, yeah, anti-slip. It's cute to see. We can take it out and wash it. Woohoo! It's very cute with fluffy ears. Look, it's a ball inside. You can play.
Oh, come on. Where is your stickers?
And she's so playful, Kitten. So playful, Kitten.
No, I have mine. Press like and subscribe.